Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ever sliced into a perfect apple, only to find it turning brown before your very eyes?
Yeah, the worst, right?
The absolute worst. But have you ever wondered what's actually going on there?
Yeah, like what's the science behind that frustrating phenomenon?
Well, get ready to unlock that mystery, because today we are diving deep, deep, deep into the science of fruit browning.
We'll uncover the why, the how, and most importantly, how to fight back with something you probably already have in your kitchen.
You got it. We're talking about the magic of lemon juice, and trust me, after this deep dive, you'll never look at a lemon the same way again.
It's pretty cool when you think about it, how something so simple can be such a culinary superhero.
Right, like it's just lemon juice,
Yeah.
but there's a whole chain reaction happening on a microscopic level.
It's true. But before we get to the superhero, we've got to meet our villain right.
Okay, so who's the bad guy making our fruit turn brown? Lay it on
Oh.
me.
Well, it's not just one bad guy, it's more like a sneaky team up.
Ooh, intrigue. Tell me more.
Okay, so picture this. Oxygen, it's everywhere, right? Lurking in the air, just waiting to react. That's our first culprit.
Sneaky oxygen, up to no good as always.
Exactly. And then we've got this enzyme called polyphenol oxidase, PPO for short. It's chilling in the fruit cells, totally harmless until
Until oxygen enters the picture.
you got it. They meet up, a chemical reaction happens.
And boom, brown fruit. But what is it about that reaction that actually changes the color?
That's where melanin comes in, that pigment responsible for our skin and hair color. Same stuff.
No way. So it's basically like our fruit is getting a tan.
In a way, yeah. The oxygen and PPO react, create melanin, and that's what leaves that brown color behind.
The case of the brown apple, solved.
Yeah.
But before things get too out of hand, our hero arrives, lemon juice. So how does this everyday ingredient save the day?
It's all about the citric acid. This acts as a reducing agent, basically a peacekeeper in the cellular world.
A peacekeeper. I love that.
Yeah.
How does it actually stop the browning?
Imagine a bouncer at a club, right? Oxygen's trying to start a fight with PPO. Citric acid steps in, throws an arm around oxygen and says, "Not so fast, buddy."
It's like you're cut off from causing any more browning trouble.
Exactly. And it does this by giving electrons to PPO, which prevents it from reacting with oxygen in the first place. No reaction, no browning.
Lemon juice. The tiny but mighty bouncer of the fruit bowl. That's incredible. Okay, so we've got the science down, but let's talk strategy. I'm picturing myself fruit salad in hand. What are the key takeaways here?
First things first, freshly squeezed is key. None of that bottled stuff. We want that potent citric acid in all its glory.
Makes sense. Freshly squeezed it is. What about timing? Is there an ideal window to lemon tea our fruit?
The sooner the better. Think of it like this. The moment you cut that fruit, the browning clock starts ticking.
So as soon as that apple is sliced, bam! Lemon juice to the rescue.
Exactly. Don't give browning a chance to take hold.
Yeah.
Another pro tip, a sprinkle of sugar isn't just for sweetness.
Tell me more about this sugar trick.
It actually helps slow down the browning process. A&D helps that lemon juice stick to the fruit.
Double duty. I love
Look,
it. Okay, but let's be real. Sometimes life happens and you're out of lemons. What then? Am I doomed to a brown fruit salad?
definitely not. Other acidic options like vinegar, orange juice, even pineapple juice can work in a pinch.
Who knew? So many fruit-saving alternatives at our fingertips. Now, for our listeners who really want to become browning-busting pros, I've heard of other methods like blanching. What's the deal with that?
Okay, so blanching is like hitting the pause button on those browning enzymes. You quickly dunk the fruit in boiling water, then give it an ice bath to stop the cooking.
So it's like a spa day for our fruit, but instead of relaxation, they're getting their browning powers put on hold.
Exactly. But keep in mind, blanching can change the texture a bit, so it's not ideal for every type of fruit or every recipe.
Good point. It's all about choosing the right technique for the job.
And no matter what method you choose, airtight containers are your best friend. Limit that oxygen exposure.
Less oxygen, less browning, it all comes together. So there you have it. We've gone from a simple question, why does fruit turn brown, to a full-blown investigation.
We've uncovered the culprits, met our hero, and equipped you with the knowledge to fight back against browning, armed with nothing but a lemon.
It's true. You've officially leveled up your culinary game today, folks. Now, the next time you're facing a bowl of freshly chopped fruit, will you see it differently?
Will you reach for that lemon with a newfound respect for its science-backed power?